In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Walmart app for your laptop. Although Walmart doesn't provide a native desktop application like they do for smartphones, you can still access Walmart on a laptop through a couple of easy methods. I'll guide you through using a web browser, which we recommend due to its simplicity and reliability, and we'll briefly discuss another method involving an Android emulator. Let's dive right in. The first and recommended option is to use your laptop's web browser. This could be any browser you have installed, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. The benefit of using a web browser is that it allows you to enjoy a seamless experience with Walmart's full suite of online services without the need for a separate application. So, on your laptop, simply open your preferred web browser. Once it's open, type in the URL www.walmart.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to Walmart's official website, where you can access everything from shopping to order management and beyond. At this point, if you already have a Walmart account, go ahead and sign in using your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and free. Having an account gives you full access to a personalized shopping experience and allows you to track your orders, save payment methods, and even create shopping lists for future use. By using the website through your browser, you ensure that you are always using the latest version of Walmart services without needing to frequently update an app. It's also worth mentioning that this method is not only simple, but it ensures maximum security, as web browsers are consistently updated to handle security threats, keeping your personal information safe. Plus, this method reduces the clutter on your laptop, as there's no need to download additional software or deal with potential compatibility issues that can arise with apps. Now, if you are particularly interested in running the mobile version of Walmart's app on your laptop, you can explore an alternative method involving Android emulators. Emulators mimic a mobile device environment on your machine, allowing you to install and run Android apps directly. While this option can be fun and opens up access to various mobile-only features, it's less reliable for everyday tasks and requires a bit more technical know-how to set up correctly. For most users, simply using the browser-based access to Walmart is the best choice. It's quick, reliable, and provides the full range of functionality you're accustomed to from a Walmart app. We hope this video helps you seamlessly connect with Walmart from your laptop, ensuring a smooth and efficient shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy shopping.